Learn how to make a simple elastic headband with fabric flowers to give it a cute spring or summer aesthetic. You can download the pattern if you follow the link in the description below, and then follow along with my step-by-step instructions. To start with, you're going to apply interfacing to the two headband pieces. Then you're going to sew the headband pieces together with right sides together. Before sewing, you want to fold over the seam allowance at both of the short ends of the headband. Then you want to turn your headband to the right side and press. Now let's get the elastic casing ready. Fold the casing in half and sew along the length. Trim the seam allowance and turn the elastic casing to the right side. It can help to use a loop turner or something along those lines to get the fabric turned to the right side. Insert the elastic into the casing and sew it on both ends. Now you want to insert your elastic piece into both sides of the headband that you made earlier. So insert the elastic and then top stitch to secure it in place. Now it's time to make our cute little flowers. You want to cut out 5 of the circle piece of the pattern. Fold your circles to create semicircles and arrange them around each other in a circle. Sew around the outer edges with a long basting stitch. Now you want to pull that thread to gather the base of the flower. You can repeat this to make as many flowers as you want. Arrange your flowers on the headband and then sew them in place. And that's it, you've finished. You have created a cute little floral headband.